Do you want Windows 11 but your PC says it is unsupported? Even the ones that fail the compatibility check. Whether your processor is old, TPM is missing, or secure boot is not available, you will be able to bypass these checks and get Windows 11 running smoothly. Let's get started. First step, to go to the Google search engine bar and type Windows 11. Now click on the Microsoft website. Here is a website of Microsoft Windows 11 installation. Swipe down slowly and slowly. Click on this bar and select Windows 11 Multi Edition. Now click on the confirm. Now you can choose your language what you want. I choose English United States. Now click on the confirm. Just wait a moment. Now click on 64-bit download. Your downloading will be started. Now you have to download the Rufus software to make the USB drive bootable. Go to this website and download Rufus software. Click the Rufus software. Your downloading will be started. Here are two files you have downloaded. First is Rufus software and second is Windows 11 ISO image. These two files will be used to install the Microsoft Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. Now I will tell you how to use the Rufus software to make the USB drive bootable. Click on it. I have attached 64GB USB into my laptop. Select the ISO image where you have downloaded Windows 11. Double click on it. Now click on the partition scheme. This should be GPT, target system UEFI, non-CSM, and you can rename the volume label. I have chosen Windows 11, Win11. The file system is NTFS. All is completed. Click on start button. Now check these boxes: secure boot and TPM 2.0 and remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. Now click on OK. The Rufus will start the USB drive bootable. Now it's ready. Your USB is in bootable mode to install the Windows 11. Now boot your PC from the USB. You might need to press F12, F9 or escape button depending on your motherboard to access the boot menu. If you are upgrading, select keep files and apps. Now there will no option come that your PC is unsupported. The Windows 11 will be installed smoothly. Here you can see the Windows 11 is installing without asking for TPM and secure boot. Congratulations,